Mathematics End of the Year Assessment. Welcome to my classroom. I am Sir Rudolph Matumbo. I am a professional teacher. I hold a degree in education and I am SAYS registered. If you need revision with all CAPS aligned subjects, you are in the right place. Please subscribe for more revisions. If you need private tutoring, please contact me using the contact details provided in the description of this video. Okay, let's get into today's lesson. So, going straight to the instructions, they say this question paper consists of 10 questions. Answer all the questions on the question paper. Write neatly and legible. Read your questions carefully before answering and use a ruler where it is necessary. So question 1. Question 1 says, write the value of 6 in each of these numbers. So you look at these numbers. Whenever you see a 6, you write the value of it. Okay, here we have got 135,261. So the value of 60 here is, the value of 6 here is 60. So here we have got 122,270. So the value of 6 here is 6. And then how many numbers behind 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it means we're going to have 4 zeros. So the value of 60 here is 60,000. Okay, question 2 says, place these numbers in order from the biggest to the smallest. So it means here we start from the biggest, we go down to the smallest number. So if we look at these numbers here, this is 10,000, this is 24,000, this is 130,000, this is 100,000, this is 280,000. Then it means this is the biggest one. So we start with the biggest. This is 284,970. So it is the biggest one. So which one follows 284,000? Is it 100,000? No. Is it 130,000? Yes. So the second one is 130,524. So which one follows after 130,000? Is it 10,000? No. Is it 20,000? No. Is it 100,000? Yes. So 100,394. So which one follows after 100,394? Is it 24,000 or 10,000? It's 24,000. So we write 24,912. Then after that, which one comes? Is the last one. 10,850. So this is the answer for question number 2. Let's go to 3. 3 says, write this number in words. So you write this number in words. This is 35,772. It is 35,000 7 100 and 77 and 72. 35,772. Correct. Right. Question 2. Question 2 says, solve the following fraction sums. So these are fraction sums. You solve them. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. Every time when you find an equation like this, what you do is look at the denominator. And how can you have a common denominator on both of these fractions? Okay, let's see. 1 over 4 plus 1 over 8. So if I want to have 8 here, I can multiply. This is one whole number 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3. Minus 2 over 3. So, okay, what can we do here? We can say 12 multiplied by 1 is 12 plus 7 is 17. So we have got 17 over 12 minus 2 over 3, 4 by 2. And then what you do here, you must also do on top. Then you multiply here by 2 as well. And then now you say 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 over 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Then this one you write it just the way it is. And then now, because you have got a common denominator, you can just simply write 8, and then this, it's addition. You add what is on top. And then 2 plus 1 is 3 over 8. 8. So the answer is 3 over 8. All right, let's go to the second one. So we want to have 12 here as a denominator so that we can have common denominators. What do we do? If 3 is multiplied by 4, we will get 12. So what we have done here, we should do up here as well. It means we multiply here by 4 as well. So this is 17 over 12 minus 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 over 3 multiplied by 4 is 12. So now that we have got common denominator, we can just write one denominator here, and we say 17 minus 8. So what is 17 minus 8? 17 minus 8 is... What is 17 minus 8? 17 minus 8 is 9 over 12. So 9 over 12, we can still simplify it by dividing here by 3, and we divide here by 3. And we have 3 over 4. So this is the answer. Then now we come to 4 over 5 of 20. 5 multiply, this is 4 multiplied by 5 of 20. So remember that according to board mass of its multiplication. So this will write it as 4 over 5 of 20. So remember that every time you see a number alone is the same as it has got an over 1. So here we multiply. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. By 0 it's 80 over 5 multiplied by 1 is 5. So this one we can still simplify it. We divide by 5 here and divide by 5 here. Then we are left with 16. Here it's over 1. So it's the same as we didn't write anything. This is 7 whole number 1 over 2 minus 5 whole number 5 over 6. So we want to have 6 as a denominator here, so that we will have a common denominator. Then this is the same as 7. Then we multiply this by 3 so that we will get 6. And then we do the same here. Then we will have 3 over 6 minus 5, 3 over 6. So when we look at these numbers, now we have got the same denominator. No, this is 5. So now that we have got a similar denominator and we cannot subtract 5 from 3, we come to this and we borrow 1 from 7 and we have got 6 now. So for us to add this 1 to this fraction, we say 3 over 6. So 1 is the same as, since we have got 6 as a denominator here and we want to add this 1 as a fraction, is 6 divided by 6. So 6 plus 6 divided by 6 is 1. So this is 1, the denominator. So we write what is left here. It's a 5 whole number 3 over, no, 5 whole number 5 over 6. 5 over 6. So here we have got, this is the same as 6 whole number 9 over 6. Then minus 5 whole number 5 over 6. So this one, so this is the same as 6 minus 5 is 1. So we have got a common denominator, and then we have got 9 minus 5. So this is the same as 1 whole number. 9 minus 5 is 4, and then 6. So this can still be simplified. We have got 1. Here we can divide by 2 and divide here by 2. So we have got 1 whole number. 2 divided by 2 is 2 over 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the answer is 1 whole number 2 over 3. Then we come to question 3. Question 3 says solve the following. This is 19,964 plus 87,480. So for us to solve it, this is addition 91964. Then we add 8 7. This is 87480. So we add 4 plus 0 is 4, and then 6 plus 8 is 14. Then we carry 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus 4 is 14. We carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 7 is 9. Then 8 plus 7 is 17. So our answer is 179,444. Okay, this one we do it like this. We have got 443,900 minus 370,267. So here 0 minus 7, it's impossible. We come here to borrow. There's nothing, and then this one goes to borrow here, borrows 1, and then now we are left with 8 here. So we have got 10 here because we borrowed 1 here, and then now 0 can borrow 1 here, and it has 10. So here we left with 9 because we borrowed 1. So this is 10 minus 7 is 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 3 minus 0 is 3. And then 4 minus 7 is impossible. We borrow. 14 minus 7 is 7. Here we left with 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So the answer is 73,633. So this is the same as 48 multiplied by 23. Then we say 3 multiplied by 8 is 24, carry 2. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12 plus 2 is 14. Then we say 2 multiplied by 8 is 16. Then we say 6, we carry 1. Now we say 2 multiplied by 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. And then here it's 0. Now we add the two answers. 4 and a 0 is 4. Then here we have got 4 and 6, it's 10, which is 0, carrying 1. 9 plus 1 is 10 plus, it's 11. So the answer is 1,104. Okay, this is 753 divided by 17. Using the long division method, we say 17. How many times 17 goes into 75? How many times 17 goes into 75? It goes 4 times, and we write our answer here. What is 4 multiplied by 17? It's 68. So then 75 minus 68 is 7. It's 7. So we drop this one. We have 73. Now we say, how many times does 17 goes to 73? It is 4 times. And 4 times 17 is 68. Then now we subtract 68 from 73 is 5. So the correct answer is 44, remainder 5. Question 4. Question 4 says complete the following number sentence. So 3 times 7 plus 5 is equals to 3 times 7. So 3 times 7 plus 7. What is 7 plus 7? It's 10. It's 10. So 3 multiplied by 10 is 30. So if they say this side is 30, it means this side should be 30 as well. 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. So it means for us to have a 30 here, we need 9. And 9 is the same as 3 multiplied by 3. So we have completed this sentence. It's now complete. So this is 21 plus 9 is 30. So we have got 30 this side and 30 the other side. So we come to this one, says 12 plus blank is 25. This one, it's simple. 12 plus 13 is 25. All right, we come to this one. We come to number 2. Write this story as a number sentence. They say a farmer has 3 chickens that each lay the same number of eggs. So same number of eggs. The farmer then collected 5 more eggs from the neighbor. He has 11 eggs in total. So we are asked to write it in number sentence. So 3 chicken, we multiply by something that we don't know, and then we add. He collected 5 he collected 5 from the neighbor, and then he has got 11 in total. So this is the same story, but it's written in numbers. So this one says, look at this number pattern and answer the questions that follows. So we have got 3, 7, 11, 15. The first question says, what is the rule for this pattern in words? What is the rule of this pattern in words? So the rule from here to come here, you add 4. From 7, you add 4. From 11, you add 4. So the rule here is add 4. The rule is add 4. Then we come to B. B says give the next 3 numbers in the pattern. The next 3 numbers. It means you use the same rule of adding 4. So from 15, you add 4, you get 19. And then here you add 4, you get 23. You add 4, you get 27. So you have gotten the 3 numbers in the pattern. So this pattern can continue and continue and continue. But they said get us only 3 numbers. 2 says, look at this pattern. You look at this pattern. And then now complete the pattern for drawings 4 and 5. So you need to complete the pattern for these 2 drawings. All right. Let's see. The first one, it's 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means they have added how many here? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They have added how many? It means they have added another 2. So it means from 7 you add another 2, you shall get how many here? You shall get 9. When you come here, 9, you add 2, you shall get how many? 11. Okay, let's see how can we complete this pattern. So we will complete it in this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sticks because we added 2 from this 7. So when we come to this one, we say 1, we say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we have got 11. We have got 11 sticks here. We have got 9 sticks here. We have got 7. We have got 5. We have got 3. So the rule is that one of adding 2. So we add 2, we have got 5. This is 5 plus, we add 2. We add 2, we have got 7. We add 2, we have got 9. We add 2, we have got 11. So that's how we complete this. Then B says, what is the rule for this pattern? So the rule, we have got it already. We add 2. So the rule is add 2. C says, how many matchsticks would you need for drawing 7? So, okay, for drawing 7, this is 5. Then it means 6, you will add how many? You add 2 from 11 and you get 13. So that will be 6. And then you add 2 from here to go to number 7. Then you have got 15. So how many matchsticks would you need? How many matchsticks would you need? You will need to draw number 7. So for us to draw number 7, we will need 15 sticks. We will need 15 matchsticks. All right, question 6 says, what is the time on each of these clocks in words? So what is the time of each of these? Hold on. This is, what time is it here? It's, the time is 2 o'clock. This is 2 is the hour. And then 2, here is 30, here is 30, meaning it's 2:30. So in words, we write it like 2:30 or 2. Then we come here, what, 16:45. This means that we have got 15 minutes to 5. So this, we call it 15 is quarter to 5 in the afternoon. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. So quarter, like we are only remaining with quarter to get to 5. So 2 says, Tando was born on the 12th of May. Today is 5 February. Assume February has 28 days this year. How many days until Tando's birthday? So today is the 5th of February and Tando was born in 12th of May. So what we do here, we know that February has got 28 days, and then, but today is already the 5th, meaning we have to minus 5 days, then we are left with 23 for February. So for March we add 31 days, plus for April we add 30 days. So they say it's on the 12th we add 12 days. So how many days are left? So we add this plus this plus this plus this, and we get 96 days. So there's 96 days to before it is Tando's birthday. So 3 says, Vuyiswa gets to the mall at 1:30. She leaves at 2:50. How long did Vuyiswa spend at the mall? She got there at 1:30, which means she spent 30 minutes until it was 14, which is 2 o'clock. And then she spent another 50 minutes. So it means 30 plus 50. It's 80 minutes. So it means she spent 80 minutes, which is 80 minutes is the same as 1 hour, 20 minutes. Because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes plus 20 minutes is 80. Question 7 says, name the following shapes. These two shapes. What is the name of this shape? It's parallelogram. If you look, this side is parallel to this one and this side is parallel to this one. So this is a parallelogram. Then this one is heptagon. Heptagon. So 2 says, name 2 shapes that have right angles. 2 shapes that have right angles. It's a rectangle and square. So if you remember rectangle, it's something like this. So these are your right angles. So a square, it's something like this. And these are your right angles. So 3 says, give 2 differences between squares and rectangles. What are the difference between squares and rectangle? So in squares, all sides are equal, but in rectangles, only 2 opposite sides are equal. Then we come to 4. What is the name of the angle smaller than 90? So an angle that is smaller than 90, let's look at 90 degrees Celsius. This is 90. So an angle that is smaller than 90, it means it should be something like this. So this angle, it's called an acute angle. Acute angle. Question 8 says, Mandisa has 5.5 liters of water in her basin. The basin can fill 9 liters. How many more liters can Mandisa pour into the basin? So she has 5.5 already, and then, but the basin takes 9 liters. We say 5.5 is 5,5. Then plus what should give us 9 liters. This is the same as 9 minus 5,5 will give us the number that we don't know. So if from 9 we take away 5.5, we are left with 3.5. So let's check if the answer is correct. 5.5 plus 3.5, do they give us 9? 5.5 is 1. 5 and 3 is 8. So 8 plus 1 is 9. So this is correct. So it means Mandisa can still put 3.5 liters. So Mandisa can still put 3.5 liters. Then we come here to B. How many milliliters does Mandisa have in the basin? So remember, she has got 5.5 liters, which is 5.5 liters. So here they are requesting us to convert the liters into milliliters. Remember, if you convert meters into milliliters, it means you multiply the liters with 1,000. So 5.5 multiplied by 1,000 is 5,500 milliliters. Then 2. In a packet of groceries, there is 2 kg packet of sugar, 5 kg of flour, 2 eggs that each weighs 5 grams, and a packet of sweets that weighs 125 grams. How much does the packet of groceries weigh? So we have got 2 kg plus, do we have other kgs? No, we don't. But we have got 500 grams plus 6 eggs that each weigh 50 grams. So this is 50 multiplied by 6 plus 125 grams. 125 grams. So all right, what is 50 multiplied by 6? So 50 multiplied by 6 is 300 grams plus 125 plus 500 grams. So 5 plus 3 is 800 grams plus 125 is 800. No, it's now 925 grams. Now come and add 925 grams to 2 kg, and we have got 2,925 grams. Then now we have got 2,925 grams. Question 9. Question 9 says calculate the perimeter of this shape. Perimeter, here we have got 35, here we have got 4. So perimeter is from here to here to here to here to here. So we have got 2 sides that are equal and 2 sides that are equal. Remember, this is a rectangle, and we said in a rectangle 2 sides are equal. So it means we have got 35 millimeters plus 35 millimeters, which gives us 70 millimeters. Then these 2 sides are equal as well. 4 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. It equals to 8 centimeter. So now we need to add 8 centimeters plus 70 millimeters. Remember that 70 millimeters is the same as 7 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. Then we get 15 centimeters. We go to this one. What is the area of this shape? So the area of this shape is 10 squares plus 5 multiplied by half squares. So this is the same as 10 plus 2.5, which gives us 12.5 squares. So the area of this shape is 12.5 squares. Question 10 says, name these 3D objects. A. What is this 3D object? This is a cylinder. What is this? This is rectangular prism. This is a rectangular prism. So 2 says, how many faces do these 3D objects have? These faces. So this one has got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is 4. So 5 is this one, the one that is facing us. 1 is that one, 2 is that one, 3 is this side. So this shape has 5 faces. So we come to this one. This one has got this face and this face. So it has got 2 faces. Thanks for watching this video up until this point. It shows that you are serious about your education. Remember, if you want to learn something, repetition is the mother of all learning. So it is very important that you keep on repeating this video until you grasp all the concepts that I explained here. If you feel that there are some things that I didn't cover in this video, please do not hesitate to put it in the comment section.